Hi everyone, today we're going to be walking you through the unlocking process for an iPhone 11 Pro Max. This one in particular is from Rogers, which is one of the major carriers in Canada. Before we actually get started, we're just going to do a really quick unboxing of the device so you can check out the device itself as well as the accessories that are included. Of course, we have the phone itself, which looks awesome with that 6.5-inch display as well as the triple camera lenses on the back. Other things included, of course, are some informational panels and some included stickers from Apple, which I guess is a nice touch. The rest isn't too interesting. We have the actual charging adapter here, the included Apple earbuds, which is also included in every single iPhone you'll ever get, and then the charging cable. Of course, we're still using a lightning port for the device, which is completely fine, but we're going to put everything back and then get started with the rest of the video. Just like any other brand new device, turn it on and get it set up. So first things first, for any unlocking, you actually need to get the IMEI number for the device. This is what allows us to identify what device we're actually unlocking and make sure that the unlock codes actually match for your phone. So there are a few ways to do this, one of them being actually getting it from the box itself. However, we recommend against this because there are rare cases where the IMEI is actually mismatched with the box itself, so you're going to get the wrong phone unlocked. The reliable way that we do recommend getting the IMEI number is actually from the dial pad. So here we're just going to enter the code *#06# and it's going to prompt this menu. There's a few pieces of information, but what's important is IMEI 1. Basically, the first IMEI that appears in this is going to be the primary or physical SIM IMEI number, and that's the one that is linked to your device and can be used for unlocking. After that, you may be wondering, is my phone even locked in the first place? Well, it's really easy to check actually. You're just going to need a foreign SIM card, which is basically any SIM card that isn't from the original carrier. So I went ahead and borrowed a SIM card from someone I know, which isn't from Rogers. In this case, I have a Mobilicity or Chatter SIM card. I'm just going to insert it into the SIM tray, obviously, and then get it inserted into the phone. Oh, quick note, make sure your phone's connected to Wi-Fi. Once your phone detects the SIM card, it's going to bring you to the hello/activation page. From here, just hit continue, and then it's going to start trying to activate the SIM card for your phone. So here we get the error message, SIM not supported. This just means that the phone is locked and we can't use a carrier SIM card that isn't from Rogers in this case. The solution for this is to get the phone network unlocked. You can either have this done directly through the carrier itself or through a third-party service such as sunlocker.net. If the carrier unlock is not an option for you, we recommend going through us, of course, and I will show you quickly what it's going to be like if you do decide to order through us. So here we have Google open. We're just going to search up Sunlocker, and the first result that does show up should be sunlocker.net. Just open it up, and then you should be greeted by the front page, which contains a lot of information about the service, about devices, reviews, etc. And what we can do here is actually enter our phone brand, phone model, and network, and then it'll help us redirect to the correct service that's required to unlock our device. So now here we are on the iPhone unlock page, and it has a lot of information about what the service does, what it supports, and essentially how it works. And all of this information is really important to help avoid confusion. A network unlock will not help to remove an iCloud account, nor will it help to clean or unbar a blacklist from a device. So if you were to network unlock a blacklisted phone, it's not going to work in domestic regions. It will only work internationally. But if neither of these things affect you, then let's just continue. All we have to do next is enter the IMEI number for your device and then press check unlock now. It should only be a few seconds for it to load, and then you'll be greeted by the contact information and order summary page. And of course, the details that you do enter here are what we're going to use to contact you if needed, as well as receive our automated emails regarding updates or any issues that we run into. And the order summary is just going to display the information you provided us, as well as show you the estimated processing time and total price of the service. And if you also happen to have a coupon code, you can enter it down here at the coupon code section. After which, be sure to review the terms and conditions, and once you've agreed with them, you can press the checkbox and then press buy now. This will then of course prompt the payment portal for you to enter your payment details and continue with placing the order. Once you've placed the order, you're going to see a confirmation page which includes your order ID. This can be used to track your order as well as contact our support team regarding any issues or updates. After you check your email, you should see a confirmation email from us as well as a PayPal receipt alongside it. Once your order is complete, you're going to get an email like this. So after you're done unlocking the phone, you just have to test it. Again, the same SIM card we had before, we're just going to insert into the phone. Once it detects it, it's going to ask to activate the SIM card. hit continue, and hopefully we don't get SIM not supported this time. And there we go. It accepted the SIM card, and now we just have to wait for the phone to actually get service from the carrier. But after you get service and you have signal bars on the phone, you can start testing the texting and the calls. In order to demonstrate, I will need a different phone. Okay, so a bit of time has passed, but I got my hands on a new device, and we're going to be testing out the messages first. So I'm going to put in the number and then just send a really simple quick text message, and then text the same number back. So I'm just going to put hi SoundLocker as a message. And there we go, the message right there. And to also test a phone call, here's a really quick test. And lastly, just to quickly show the settings of the phone detecting the SIM card as well as verifying the IMEI, just so you guys know it's the same phone. And yeah, the phone's unlocked. If there's any other questions you guys have, leave it down in the comments below. We're happy to answer all of them. Any concerns, any complaints, just let us know. Thanks for watching.